Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start now. Identify the lock type quickly. Pin tumbler versus wafer or smart because technique changes. Once done, assemble essentials. Tension wrench, small pick set, a bump key if available, flat screwdriver or shim. You do this because correct tools reduce damage and speed success. If it's a smart lock, make sure batteries and paired devices are checked first. Also, verify you have legal access, proof of residency or permission. This prevents trouble later and guides whether to call a You focus on non-destructive methods. Insert the tension wrench and apply light, steady torque, about 1/8 turn to bind pins. Then use a pick to lift pins to the shear line. Listen and feel for clicks because those confirm correct pin sets. If picking stalls, try a bump key carefully. Insert, withdraw a hair, tap while maintaining light torque. If the latch is exposed, a thin shim can slip the latch. Make sure to avoid excessive force so you preserve the door for repair. You finish by gently rotating the tension wrench the rest of the way once pins set, and open the door slowly to avoid stressing the hardware. If the keyway is compromised, remove the cylinder, usually held by a screw, and replace it rather than forcing the old part. This saves time and money. If nothing works or you risk damage, call a licensed locksmith, show proof of residence, and photograph the scene. One troubleshooting tip: if pins jam, back off torque and reseat pins. Too much
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.